I'm going to pick the winner for the cotton yarn review and giveaway. These are my latest videos. If you have missed any of them, you can go right to Crochet Jewel channel and find them right there. And also, this is Amy's crochetpatterns.com blog. I have added some categories right there. If you like to take a look, kitchen and applique. And this is for holidays. If you click on any one of these photos, it will take you right to the pattern, and most of these patterns have videos. And most of all these patterns are free. And if you go to Amy Creative Creations on my Etsy store, here's my crochet patterns PDFs and vintage patterns PDFs. And here are digital products. A lot of them are thank you tags and birthdays and such. Okay, Paula, congratulations. Just contact me with your address. My email's down below and all of my links are down below. Thank you everybody for watching and participating. And if you are not already following me, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. Okay, thank you for watching.